Hey James, what are you doing? Yeah. I'm just looking a picture of my BFF that me and her took together. Wait, for real? Let me see. Wow, looks pretty cool as hell. Yeah, good job, James. What's her name? Her name is Miss Sully. I don't think that's her actual name, but that's her teacher name. But close enough. But the point is, I miss her. I haven't seen her in months. This is the last time we've seen each other physically, and I missed her a lot. Oh. Well, maybe one day you'll get back together with her. Yeah, I miss her. She's my BFF, best friend forever. Yeah. I've been there, like, me and Percy were BFFs. Yeah, true that, Thomas. Yeah. It's okay, guys. We all have a BFF somewhere. The point is, don't worry, James. I mean, do you have her Gmail or something like that? Actually, I do, but she hasn't replied to me in a couple of days. She does work a lot, but come on, I still miss her though. Well, it's okay. Maybe you can still see her. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, so pretty cool picture. Let me see. Yeah, pretty cool picture. James. Well, just keep it somewhere safe so you won't lose it or whatever, or it won't get stolen. All right? Okay, I'll keep it here. There. So, what you guys want to do today? I literally have no idea, James. Yeah, same. Haha, it's time to fucking strike. What, did I hear something? No, I don't think so. Huh? I knew it was Ghostface because I just saw him. I was about to tell you guys, but it was too late. Or whatever. Oh, this picture is more battle you two. I see. Get that picture back now. Hell, fuck no. This is mine now. Y'all gotta say what I'm gonna do with that shit. Alright? But it's my picture. Give it back. Don't do nothing to it, you fucker. Give it back to him. Give it back to him. Give it back to him. Oh, the fucking giant ass knife. That's what I thought. So fuck off. And don't even try. You're never gonna get the shit back. I'll cut it off with my super sharp knife. Haha. So F off. Alright, fine. Alright. That's what I thought. Bye bye. I'm gonna rip it. No. Come on. No. No. He took the son of a bitch took my goddamn picture. For now, we'll get it back for sure, James. Don't worry. You mean it? Yes. Okay, fine. Let's go. We can beat Ghostface up easily. Come on, let's go. Let's go get a picture back. Ghostface, that wasn't nice. Doesn't look like I give a fuck. The point is, give that picture back now to poor James. Yo, come on, let's go. Yeah, the picture, I got it. Come on. No, no, fuck no, fuck no, fuck no. Take that out. I'm stabbing you with my big fucking knife. I made a metal, remember? You can't cut through us. Even if you did, we won't. There's no blood inside of us. Oh, what? I got his knife. Keep it away from him. No, no. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's beat his ass up. We got another one. And his weapon, too. Alright, we'll keep his weapon here. Nice and safe. We all brought him in. Yeah, we all do. That's pretty cool, guys. Good job. I'll make sure this ugly fucking asshole won't get out of here anytime soon. Whatever. Well, the point is, yeah, he's gonna be in jail forever and ever until the day he dies. Fuck you, Ghostface. We got another one in jail. Yeah, my picture. We did it, guys. We got James's picture back. Yeah. Now I'm gonna keep it with me in all times, alright? I was exhausted from that, but now I think I'll take a nap. You know what? Fuck this Tinder. Fuck it. I'll get it back later. But fuck that Tinder. That was shocking. Oh, at least we got James's picture back. Yeah. I'm Bush. Gonna sleep too. After all of that, what we've been through, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's get some shut eye.